If your Tinder account has been banned, then here is how you can appeal to the Tinder officials to revoke your ban and let you enter in the dating platform. First of all, go to any browser and go to Google. Then type Tinder request submission page. As you type that, the first result will be from the official website of Tinder. Tap on submit a request from Tinder. Then on the what can we help with section, select trouble with account login. Wait for some time and you will get another dialog box. On the what's going on section, select can't login, my account was banned. Then scroll below. It will ask for your email address and phone number. Fill in those boxes and also write what actually happened to your account and description and why you want it back. You can also add files or screenshots to back your appeal on the attachment section. After filling all those fields, tap on submit. Now your request to revoke your Tinder ban has been submitted to the Tinder officials. The one in charge will check your request and go through a process to see if you can get your account back. That's it for the video.